GBP dollar. The consolidation continues, guys. We're at a very key area of liquidity. I've said this to you guys before. 132 towards 131.50 is not going to be given up without a fight. And obviously, remember, with the pullback in the dollar at the moment, it's only natural that we see this consolidation, this technical correction. We've been moving one directionally. We had these very sharp moves to the downside. So naturally, we are going to be pulling back a little bit. Structure for GU still obviously remains intact. We're printing lower highs, lower lows, but it's just possible that we pull back a little bit before eventually this key area of liquidity is ground down. It's just going through the motions. Don't be jumping in. Don't be jumping in FOMO. Don't be trying to call the tops. It's waiting for those valid confirmation signs that we formed a new lower high before we get those continuation to the downside. Key rejection at areas liquidity. In terms of to the upside, I'll just be keeping an eye. If we do manage to break 32 again, I'll be keeping an eye on this region here. Okay, this area of liquidity at 32.50, nice and psychological for potential rejections. And at some point, I do think we're going to grind this down and be drawn into the next major area of liquidity, which is sort of 30.50, 30.00. Nice and psychological. And you can see those lows here in November 2025. So that's a significant thing. Nothing's changed for the dollar. Data's still inflationary, as we saw yesterday through various metrics, just looking at the bigger view. Unemployment claims, less unemployment claims, which is bullish. Prices of that make up the GDP, inflationary 3.6% higher. Personal income, personal spending higher. That's all inflationary. People getting paid more money, people spending more money. That's all obviously inflation, right? So yeah, nothing's changed, but just going through the motions. Technical correction, technical bounce at very key area. Further commitment for dollar related likely to come next week. Obviously, it's Friday today, and obviously we do have key non-farm payrolls next Thursday. Guys, for ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, AI powered, macro powered, Ken powered. Check out the KenMacro desk where you can get access to. Catch you on the next update.